What up, what up? Yo, what up, Corey? Boom, 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 boom. Just getting everything up here. Ooh, shit. 56. Bro, I might take this in at 56.46. What up? Yo, what up, VMA? How was yesterday? Yesterday was good. Ended up locking in a pro account. Last night I locked in another pro account, so I'll have a 150K pro account, and I got these two pro accounts. So my goal is to build up Take Profit Trader, only because it's really the best one out of all of them. So I'm trying to get 5 pro accounts. Come get my order. Dude, I smashed this one last night. I caught a massive 100-point candle in like a flash to pass. And I played it. Dude, I had such high confidence in this thing. Where was it? Did they get rid of it? Oh no, it's in this account. Dude, I had such high confidence in this drop, and that's where I made it. I mean, it literally dropped 67. It dropped 100 points. I couldn't get out fast enough. I literally couldn't get out fast enough. Think or Swim is real? Yeah. Why? Have you never used it? First time using Think or Swim? Get out of break even. Yo, what up, SMT? Dump to the Trump candle. Oh, yeah. We talked about that yesterday, man. I was like, man, it was shady as hell, man. You had to know that it felt very shady yesterday when they pumped it. Where is that? All the way down here? Yeah, I think we could definitely sell off all the way down there. I mean, dude, the guy came out and said he's talking, and then they were like, yo, no one's talking to us. It's crazy. Oh, man. I'm waiting for gold to come down and get my order. What up, Austin? Watching, waiting. Come on. You can't short. Oh, by the way, some guy asked me on Twitter about this. I don't know if you guys saw it. I'm open to making. I'm playing around with different indicators and shit and different coding things. Someone asked me to make this for them. And basically, it's like a trend indicator. Basically, yellow is chop, green is up, and red is down. They asked for this. Um, I got to figure out how I can just push this public. Um, I've tried to make it public, and they just fucking hose me every time. What up, Midas? Um, but I don't know. I don't know what the best way to go about this is because I would want to publish this to everybody. So, just so you guys have access to it. I don't know what the best way is to do it. And it has settings in here. So if you wanted to, you can kind of change it. What the threshold is, and you can kind of just play around with things. Nah, so let's see. I'll show you. I'll show you right now. So this candle's yellow, right? I don't think it repaints. Nah, that didn't repaint at all. That was yellow instantly. Now you got to remember, it's showing the candle after it closes. So while this candle is up and down, it might be a different color, and then once it closes. Yo, what up, Taiwan? Yo, yo, yo. But yeah, I actually found it interesting because I was just messing around with it. I actually found it more interesting on the 2 minute. This is what it would look like on the 2. What's kind of cool about it is like, look, you're going up, right? These are solid greens, and then you get a green with like a red uh outline on it. So it kind of shows you that the trend is kind of turning on you. You know, and then you start getting the solid reds. I don't know. I'm gonna obviously it's free. I mean, I'm not gonna charge. Like, if you want this, I'm just trying to figure out the best way to put it out there. I'm gonna try publishing it um as like private. Maybe I can just do that. But they fucking were yelling at me about some description shit. I'll try it again. Once it's in the community there's like so many strict rules that I'm not looking to follow. But if you guys want something, only because I'm testing out a lot of things, I made this post yesterday. I'm open, I'm obviously open to doing whatever. Um, I basically I'm going down the rabbit hole of indicators, right? I'm going to be making a whole bunch of them and just give them out to the community. But if you want something for you, just let me know. I'm obviously going to put it out to everybody. But if you got any ideas and you want something, let me know. One of these guys just asked. This guy, Tonk, asked for it, and basically I made it for him. Yo, I don't need to, like, it's not really for me. Like, I don't really go by this stuff, but if it helps you out, I don't mind doing it. I don't like it's free. I'm not charging you anything for it. Born Lucky, like, if you want something, I have no problem to try to make it for you. I'm having some fun with it now. Am I going to have fun with it in 3 weeks? Probably not. So why I'm having fun? If you ever wanted something, now's the time to strike while the iron's hot. Am I going to use it? No. I've been dicking around with this. This has been my go-to right now. I'm trying to get this to be a little bit better. This actually has buy and sells. It needs to be a little bit better though. Oh, that's on the 2-minute. So you could see the equity curve, basically. Looks pretty legit, right? These settings are whack, though. I have the settings somewhere. This isn't even the right settings. I gotta fucking change that. But yeah, I got a little little projects. Your ad banner blows the stream. I don't see it. What I don't know what you're talking about. I don't even see a banner up. I'm looking at. I actually have my thing paused, but what, the thing at the top? You'd see tabs. Right over your chart. I'm gonna change what I don't know. Okay. I'm changing the whole thing. I'm gonna change this whole thing. I'm actually gonna change that, dude. I'm debating on. So obviously, I trade a bunch of accounts, right? Like all like here, I got these. I got Bulenox. I am debating on putting all of my accounts there. I'm trying to figure out how I would do that though, unless I was on Rhythmic and show all the accounts at once. I mean, 90% of the time I'm on this screen. Not, most of the time I'm on this screen. Um, I'm trying to think how I can get all my accounts shown over here. Like you can have a board display behind you on the wall. I need something on the screen. Um, I don't mind showing all the accounts. I flip through them all. What's up, Double O? I flip through them all and show you. Like, there's nothing. Um, but I have to rework the U. Like, I have to rework what this looks like. Obviously. Um, yeah. I'm just trying to think how. I don't know how to get it. You would think that all these accounts on Tradeify, you could pull them all up in one section. What up, Steven? You know what I'm saying? Um, I don't. Man, it'd be so cool if they just break this down. You don't think people care about it? Man, I was thinking about if I could port over all my options positions on the screen as well. I don't know how to do that either. And in case anybody was like interested in that shit, you know what I'm saying? It would have like all my stock and options positions in the corner. Um, I don't know. I'm not that good at this type of shit. So I don't know how I gotta figure it out. Is what I need to do. Come on, just put in a nice little candle for me. I love trolls, Ron. I love a good troll. I don't care. Like, listen, man. If you've never had a fucking red day, I mean, I try to just put it out there so everyone sees. Like, you know, I try to make it as transparent as possible. You know what I'm saying? Like, you could see that I'm not rotating accounts. Like the accounts are pretty much the same. Let me shrink this. Yo, what up, TJ? Yeah, like the accounts stay this. Like you could see account numbers each day. Like it's not like every day I got new fucking account numbers. Um, yeah, I don't know. I was just trying to make it better for the people. But yeah, I'm not worried about some guy I don't know. I'm not worried about somebody I don't know coming in here saying something. Like, dude, gold is getting fucking whacked. I don't know if eventually it will go down there. It kind of looking overdue for a bounce though. Like literally, it's been straight down for I don't know what is that $800. It actually went even further. It went over $1,000 straight down. I mean, it doesn't have to be, but I assume you're gonna get a green candle soon. Sooner or later, you're gonna get some type of green candle. You know, I doubt you're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the 10th day of red candles. I mean, typically that doesn't happen in gold. So you would assume at some point you're going to get a green day. I wouldn't short it here in like a personal to see 4,100. Let's see if I finally get freaking filled here. Yo, I got caught in that shit, by the way. Last night, oh my dude, I took a risk I shouldn't have taken. Let's be honest. Somewhere last night, I got caught right here. I lost 270. So that's $470 I lost. I lost here. I was down about $1,000 in my pro account, and then I hammered this. I fucking hammered this. What is that? I got 200. I don't know. I got maybe $500 back on this, and then I got $684 on this fucking drop. And I was like, I'm done for the night. I was like, I'm back green. I was like, I'm fucking done. Yeah, it was wild. Wild. But yeah, when my account is swinging by 1,000, it's a 50K account, it's swinging by 1,000. I just gotta stop. Yo, good morning, Van. Good morning. Good morning. Yo, what up, Corey?
Second job. You just need to learn how to.
The fuck is that? Good morning. Good morning. Oh, fuck. Dude, did they just pop it? I'm not gonna get my fills. Dude, I am opening up the fucking. Boom, 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 boom. I guess I'm not going to get my orders filled here. Back above WAP. As we get closer to open, I'd like us to come down. But as we get close, let's read the news real fast. So we got news at 9:45 today. You got services PMI. You got S&P manufacturing PMI at 9:45. What else you got? That's pretty much it. Nothing crazy. Dude, tonight at 3 a.m. you have UK CPI. I mean, if you're up at that point, you're probably going to move around. I'm just looking tomorrow. I thought we had non-farm payroll this week. You got jobless claims. Somebody said we had non-farm payroll. Oh, man. Here it goes. Iran is reportedly charging some commercial vessels up to $2 million per transit through the strait, signaling tighter control over the key energy route. Oh boy. Yo, what up, Ray? What up, what up? Check this shit out. Let's see what happens. Whoa, man. Dude, it's moving around, man. That's for shit sure. Money can be made and lost very fast. Oh, am I going to get filled? Let's see what this looks like. I just want to see this. I'm working on this on my other screen. I don't know if I like that. Well, that's after hours. Something weird's going on. I don't like that actually. I like the chop zone shit. I don't like the buy and sell shit. Dude, I'm loving gold, man. What up, Momin? I'm love, dude. Gold last night paid. These is my every account is my gold account except for Apex and Legends. Good morning. Good morning. At least you're busy doing something. I thought you were retired. No. Dude, you know what I wanted to do? Yo, check this out. Can I make this real fast? Come on. What state are you working in the States or working in Germany? Or are you just working like remote? Yo, what up, Matt? Yo, I've been wanting to do this. Let me see what I Oh, dude, this is what I fucking wanted to make. I don't think it's calculating it fucking outright, though. I don't think it's calculating it right. All right, I'm going to shelf that because we're going to open soon, and I don't want to. Yeah. Can you get access to that indicator? Which indicator are you talking about? Moment. Which one are you talking about? The one where the candles change color? The one you made a short on. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, let me just dig it up. Boom, boom, boom. Let me get your Ponzi market. Oh, your stateside. Should have it. Should have it. I'm still cleaning it up, but you have it. Oh, it is working, but because this trade is on already, I see what this is doing. So I'm trying to create an hourly sweep indicator is really what I'm doing. Um I've been meaning to do this, but my gold orders are still not filled. I'm still sitting here waiting. In about 7 minutes, I'm taking my orders out if it doesn't get filled, by the way. There we go. That cleaned up what I was looking for. The logic is a little fucked though. The previous hour. Yeah, the logic is fucked because that shouldn't have actually had the hours is wrong. I don't know why that's pulling this. It's pulling the wrong fucking hour. Yo, what? Why did they rate him though? What was the point of rating them? Like, what were they doing wrong? Yeah, well, then that's different. Why is a view farm bad? I didn't know a view farm was illegal, to be honest. Not that I have a view farm. It's just a bunch of devices. Yeah, if they were stolen, that's different. This previous hour logic is fucked, to be honest with you. I think so too, TJ. I saw something like that. Now that's a fucking scam. Yes. That's a fucking scam. I mean, if you're. Yeah. Yeah. That's a fucking scam if I've ever seen one. Smart guy, probably the first guy to do it, big. But no, you can't be doing shit like that. That's frowned upon. I think this logic got all completely fucked. I think I got to lay out the previous hour. All right, so now the previous hour works. See, now the high and low works. Oh, dude, I think I got it to work. Look, when we go out and come back through, you short it, and then you got a TP area. I really wanted it only for. Look at that shit. Back through TP'd. The TP should actually be fucking lower. I don't know how it created the TPs, but ha ha ha. Interesting. See, so watch this. This is how I build these fucking things. Like, all right, right? So right now I have a profitable indicator, right? I don't even know. We go back. Let's go back further. See, I'll look at this, but then I'll also be like, was this market? So this is what I went over in a video. Like the market here is not the same as the market's been here. But I'm not even looking for this. I'm going to change this up because this is taking all the trades. So then what you do is you narrow it down. You narrow it down. See, this takes every trade, stop loss, right? So now, obviously, every hour is not the same, right? Plus, who gives a shit what happens? You don't want stats for shit that happens after hours. So then we have 8 minutes. So I'm going to stop this in like literally 1 minute. But I don't know why their TPs are weird though. I'm going to dick around with this another day. I never got filled on my fucking gold orders. I'm just going to take these off. Just want to make sure they're all. Gold orders are off. We're about to start this shindig up. About to pass a Tradeify Select. I kind of like the daily payout thing, to be honest. Not gonna lie. Um, just setting something up real fast. I had a what do you call it? I had to not delete. I had to get rid of my Ninja, turn it off, and turn it back on. Take the Super Dom off. Take that off. All right, I'm all set up. I'm going to bring my quant tower up real quick. Dude, I'm biased to the downside. I think, like TJ said, I think we're going to end up seeing the... I think we're going to end up seeing all the way at the bottom. That's where I think we're going. Oh, I just realized something. Okay. I'm not going to be able to do that. I'm going to play it right here then. Let's see. Take profit. 30. 20. Let's see what happens. Oh, lock it in, boys. My fucking alarm is beeping. I'm going to let it beep until open. Nothing new on financial juice. I got that up. All right. Less than 1 minute, boys. What up, Monet? Man, I wish there was a hotkey. Oh, ATM is off? What the fuck? Better put that on. I'm bad when it comes to this. We're going to see what happens. Nope. I can't fucking do it on here. If it breaks to the upside, I'll leave it. Hold on. I got to hit my fucking alarm. Let's see what we got. Ooh, baby. Quick scalp.
Order filled.
Oh my god. I hate you, NQ. Really? You couldn't get a quick rejection? Oh, I would have gotten fucking gold filled too. Fuck me. 46.9.
Order filled.
Doing too many fucking things, but I could tell you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Come on, get my fucking orders. Oh, I'm on the wrong fucking thing. Motherfucker.
Order filled.
I was supposed to be on here. I was supposed to be in at 13. Fuck me. I missed out on that. I'm forward testing this shit. So literally 312 would have been the entry to short. I'd be up 30 fucking points. watching. I'm going to play the whole baby. Oh, baby. Wow. Oh.
Order filled.
Fucking bounce it for me. Dude, did... All I needed to pass this was a couple bucks. Dude, this account's on its way out. I can't believe that. This is why I stick to fucking gold. Come on. Damn. Should have just stuck to the fucking thing. Should have just stuck to the fucking script. Bro, all these things are just triggering sells. Look, sell at 71 popped up on here. Oh, motherfucker. I just whiffed on that completely. Um, Come on. Push it down. Push it down. Push it down. Free longs? Dude, I should have been in a short fucking 60 points ago. Just get my freaking orders, man. Look at this. Just get the orders. Get the orders and bounce it. Can you trade gold in this thing yet or no? Bro, they still don't allow gold. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yo, this shit that I've been testing out. Yo, short at 309. Cover the short at 205. It's over 100 points on fucking NQ. And I just decided to not fucking...
Order filled. Order filled.
Bro, I'm so fucking bitter about it. Why didn't this other one trigger in? Oh, it just missed me. Are you fucking kidding? Yo, I'm so bitter about that. We just, I'll be honest with you though, we just, oh. Yo, how long have you guys been on for?
I just got here. Good
Oh,
morning.
I completely just fucking fucked up.
We got news in 3 minutes. By the way.
Yeah. Yo, I was playing around with my script. It told me to short the NQ at 313.
Oh no.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. Like a loser, I decided to play a bounce and got fucking smoked.
Yeah, be careful. We got flash services
Order
PMI
filled.
and flash manufacturing PMI.
Order filled.
All right, just got 270 back. I'm going to work this all the way fucking back. Back to back like Drake.
Taking back shots like Drake.
I'd say Drake's dong. Like Drake's dong coin.
We are still inside that giant candle.
Which one? From, oh, yeah. The Trump pump?
Yeah.
Yeah. Sitting here waiting for my gold to be filled.
It's crazy. That candle went up so much the other night. And then last night when we decided to strike their power stations.
Yeah.
Oh, is that
Didn't
what we
drop
did
that
last
much.
night? We struck the power station?
2 of them.
Oh, I didn't know we did.
Yeah.
Jeez. It's like that now?
It's like that.
That's crazy. Joe, you know what I was trying to make? I'm partially there. Is the hourly sweep freaking indicator that provides buy and sell in the previous hour.
That'd be nice.
Because I always forget about it, right?
Mm-hmm. Got 20 seconds.
Maybe they'll finally break us out of this.
Watch it flash down, get all my orders, and I make generational wealth right here. Oh, baby. Oh, don't go down too fast.
Cove's over there clenching.
Dude, it all of a sudden, it looked like it was just going to fucking unload. I was like, no, don't do it. Don't do it. Wow, this thing's gonna push gold up. Gold's got to be the worst asset to chase out of all of them.
Yeah.
You chase gold, you're just asking for it. I feel like there's no gold breakouts. It's just a back and forth move up.
Nah, are you still trading silver?
No. No, I think he moved to crude oil. Can I check out stats for Bollinger Band breakout strategy on the 1 hour time frame?
Bollinger Bands?
So the only reason why I would probably say it's not great is if it's breaking the Bollinger Band to the upside, most people are looking to then play it short. That's just from, I know that's a
people
big.
play Bollinger Bands when they first get into trading.
Well, no, like I know on like the stock side of it, people look for like stocks that are trading below the Bollinger Band, and they'll play it back up. I've seen that a lot.
Ooh, do I want to play this inversion to the upside? I feel like it's risky.
Sometimes you just gotta risk it, man.
I'll throw just a couple of micros at it.
A couple micros.
Yeah.
Retesting it.
Order filled.
Come on. That was just. I was up. I almost hit my fucking alarm beeping again. I was almost gonna take that fucking cash off quick, and I didn't. Probably because it was an eval.
Yeah, my bias is to the downside today.
What's up?
I said my bias is to the downside today. That's why I was iffy on it.
My bias is definitely to the downside today. Doesn't mean it can't pop. I think they're gonna fill. I think they're gonna touch. They're gonna give up that entire candle. Hold on, I gotta fucking hit this along again. I think they're gonna give it all up. That candle started about 300 points below us, though. You know that, right?
Yeah.
Nuts.
But I think we can hit it.
I think we are going to hit it. I feel like I'm gonna get fucked by this gold shit, to be honest with you. I think if it gives it up, you're gonna see a big fucking. At this point, I think you're gonna see a big swoop down here. I think if it breaks this, you're gonna see a sizable candle.
That's the, I think it's the 618 area.
Where they're at right now.
Uh,
Yeah, I just feel like if it breaks it,
yeah.
we're going down. I got orders in. Got to risk it for the biscuit. What up, Schulster? This thing is just slowly selling off.
Order filled.
Where the fuck did my cell go? Oh, it's hidden. I took this because it's swept the lows. I want to see if it comes back a little bit. Don't worry, I'm up 150 bucks. I'm just not taking my profits.
Order filled.
Every time I take my profits, it goes higher. Damn, gold's just pumping.
I did all my gold accounts already. I can't do anything else.
Can't make more?
Nope.
Good spot to be at.
Yeah.
She can't pull over anymore.
Can't pull over anymore. I'm already pulled over. What movie is that? Is that Dumb and Dumber?
Troopers.
Super Troopers, that's it.
You boys like Mexico?
Saudi prince is said to push Trump to continue Iran war. That's interesting. If we break 230 to the upside, I will grab and hold. $230 is like damn, they just pumped gold. That looked like such an ugly bear flag that was occurring too. Oh man.
Oh,
Come on. Did you pass that Lucid account?
I'm getting there.
How close?
I am about
Wait.
800,
I was
800
gonna say
away.
400. Oh, so you can do that today.
Ah,
Why? How much are you up in it right now?
250 or
Oh,
230.
you can make 1,500 in a day.
Yeah, I could.
Are you want to? Do you stop at 250, like, and you're done?
Yeah.
So just throwing it out there. Don't do it because I've said. But like, if you go to push that higher today, right?
Uh-huh.
Only on good setups,
Uh-huh.
and you end up losing 250,
Uh-huh.
your drawdown doesn't change because it's end of day account. It's almost better on these end of day accounts that once you're up to kind of keep
Going.
pushing because your drawdown doesn't go down any further. It's the trailing that to me there's no benefit. I'm not saying to do it. I was just saying,
Bad influence.
I am such a bad influence. But you get what I'm saying though, right?
Yeah.
Like your drawdown doesn't go down any further. That's my line in the sand though. Over a close over 220. Here. Oh. Damn, I thought we were gonna get it. Yo, what up, Flip? Just watching this go back and forth, back and forth. Watching. Come on. This other shit I have just printed a sell. I don't know if I trust it though. Come on, get over that. I'm not buying prematurely either. I'm waiting. Being smart. Every time I fucking get on my laptop. Come on. Push it. Push it. I think it's going to get me in.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm just
When you look at the Lucid dashboard
Yeah.
and you have the calendar,
Yep.
what do those percentages mean?
I don't know. I thought it was win rate, but I don't think it is.
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
Maybe
I
it's
couldn't figure it out.
consistency.
If it is consistency, I can't figure out how it's figuring it.
Nah, I don't. I actually don't know. I looked at that the other day and I was like, "What is that?"
Yeah.
But then I saw one that said 0%. I was up that day.
Yeah, I have that today.
Yeah.
And yesterday it showed that, and now it says 100%.
Yeah. So I honestly don't. I honestly don't know. I mean, the majority of the time, I'm just looking for, uh, you know, to see how many days of $150 I have to get a payout for the most part.
How many do you need?
5.
5.
But the problem is when you take a payout, you can't go below 50,100. So you got to leave yourself a little bit of buffer.
You don't have to build up 3,000?
Nope.
Oh, I thought you did.
No.
Oh.
That Lucid's the easiest
Order
one.
filled.
That was $1,000. I just hit the drawdown that quick. I still think this goes. Don't tell me I hit the daily drawdown and it goes. I'm going to cancel my take profit trader. Yeah, I think I literally think they sold me out at the bottom. I just got coved. Look at that shit.
That's a thing now.
That's wild.
Yeah, that was a perfect bounce off the 618. That was a big move too.
I fucking can't stand the NQ. Gold just pushing. Pushing. I mean, gold obviously changed its whole trend. Come on.
I made 540 last night with 2 gold micros.
I believe it. Which side, up or down?
I think the biggest one was up. That big move it made right before everybody went to bed.
I got smoked. I was down 1,000, and then I fucking slammed it. Made back 500 quick on like a small move, and then I took 3 minis to the downside. I made like $600.
It was crazy.
Gold's moving at night still. Honestly, this is an old Legends account. I kind of don't even want the funded account because then it's like you got the old version is like you got to trade 10 days of 100 and something, $150. Part of me doesn't even want the old one. The new ones, they changed their rules, but I actually really like this. Let's see.
I'm looking for a short here.
On what?
Gold.
Ah.
I'm adding a little bit to my funded futures.
We can only do 2 micros still, right?
Yep.
When are they going to change that shit?
I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe never.
Order filled.
Push it. Just push it out of here.
You can still make money. It's just slow.
Yeah.
Order filled.
I didn't have my ATM on. It kind of sucked. So.
Order filled.
Man, we got a nice little chop fest going on.
Mm-hmm. Looking at a short on ES too.
Oh, baby. Just fucking push. Just fucking. Oh, my God.
Order filled.
What a way to break in this fucking pro account.
Here it goes.
Man, I fucking love that setup, too. I fucking loved it. I loved it. I loved it. I loved it. I loved it enough that I never trade NQ in my fucking take profit trader accounts, but I had to. You know what I'm saying? I would never trade NQ in my TPT accounts. They're gold only, but it was such a layup. Except, look, Apex fucking wicked me out at the bottom.
Fucking Apex.
I hit daily loss limit in my fucking Apex accounts. Otherwise, they're winners. I'd been up 20 plus points. I'd been up $600, $700. By the way, this thing triggered a short on ES just now. 6607.25 short.
Really? I didn't see that. That's cool. I have a short coming up just a little bit above. I wonder what it triggered off of.
Yeah, I don't. Doesn't mean it's gonna be right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there's a fair value gap that it just dropped into.
I can't believe that wicked me out at the fucking bottom.
Yes, made new highs for New York session. NQ did not.
Oh.
There's a lot of stuff NQ's coming up too. You got 200 VWAP, and then you got the top of the session.
I just went in short on ES. See if I get stopped out at break even. It's been
my stop is much greater than whatever your stop is going to be.
break even again. Starting to suck.
I think it still has some juice to the upside. I mean, I like the bottom that NQ made here. This is a money. I wouldn't be surprised if NQ hits 315 here, which should bring the ES even higher. Damn, gold. Holy shit. The sim market. It's the sim market makers. They're out. They're out to get me.
I just got a couple $100 in ES.
Damn, how many did you just play?
A mini.
Would you catch the top of that?
Yep.
Jeez.
Bounced
Yo,
off.
they're watching from that hole in the bathroom wall. Knob. I'm holding that though. I'm holding that.
Yeah, literally, I was one tick from the top.
Damn.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I was gonna say like, you're like I'm up a couple $100, and I'm like,
You know, okay, I hate to say it, but the ES and the GC are far more precise.
1000%.
Yeah.
Because I mean, as I get deeper into like all these like trading view scripts and everything
Mhm.
that produce you know, that you could like you do like I don't know how right this is, but it's pretty fucking accurate. ES is always better than NQ.
Yeah.
Let's see what the ES one is.
Well, I mean, even between ES and MES.
ES and what?
MES, so the micros and the minis.
Oh.
Wait, I'm going to look and see.
Damn, I should have taken that short on NQ.
Oh, MES did just as well on that one.
Don't worry, I'm still in short.
Wow, look at that go.
I know.
You took an NQ short?
I took an ES short at 66.0725. I put it out there to everybody. I have it on my laptop. I'm being one of those off-stream guys. But no, it's on my Bulenox account.
You're going to show a P&L for like $75,000 later?
Yeah, but first I have to lose all my money on the stream, and then after the stream's over, I only show my gains to everybody on Twitter or X.
Sounds about right.
Right up everyone's alley. People like that shit, so I'm just going to do it.
They also like an indicator that makes $1 million.
A gazillion
$500,000.
No one
With no
reads the whole.
commissions.
What'd you say?
I said with no commissions.
Well, it's not even no commissions. It's how the the back testing thing interprets buys and sells. Like it's not real life conditions. Like remember
It's all of it.
When you used to put in like Hikins and you'd be like, it's
yeah.
a 99% win rate, like, you know.
100% win rate.
Yeah.
Like, that does not seem right.
Honestly, like if you get like a 65% win rate, like you're pretty much printing money at that point because you're probably at more than a 1-to-1. You're probably at like 1.5. If you're at 1.5 to 1 at 65%, you're printing money. Like that's exactly what that opening trade in the morning is. It hits I think it's 64% of the time, and it's the risk reward. It's 1.5 to 1, and literally, I print money off it. The only reason I don't is because Quant Tower is fucking delayed.
60% of the time, it works every time.
It's like it works when Quant Tower doesn't fucking, you know. Yeah, I mean, the thing is, during the day we get those headlines. What up, Nate? Nate Dog.
I posted a screenshot of that bounce.
I don't know if it's gonna come down this far, but Frostix, what up? I'm still in short, by the way. I'll let you know when I get out. Oh man, yes, it's just giving it up. Just give it up. Give it up, up, up. Surprised they haven't made a second one of those yet.
The Up movie?
The was it the Demon Hunter movie? And they sing the song up, up, up.
Oh, never seen it.
You ever seen a Demon Hunter movie? It's for kids. There's the K-pop Demon Hunters. Dude, it's like a huge trend. There is an indicator on TradingView with 88% win rate, open and close strategy. Maybe. Maybe. I mean, it doesn't mean it's always great. Like, see, this one was doing fucking awesome up until literally until yesterday. Dude, yesterday, like, it would have lost 30,000, but you take away yesterday, and all it is kind of fucking up. I wouldn't even count December, but yesterday was diabolical for it. Just
That's how bots go, man. They work until they don't.
yeah, I mean, it's to me, I'm not. It's based on things that are. It's not really gonna. It shouldn't really change. Nothing's gonna stop me from just trading gold, though.
I wish NQ would pick a direction.
I wish it would just go down. What up, Bruno? I wish I wasn't a bitch yesterday and just followed the script and made a ton of money instead of lost.
I wish I was a baller.
Trump's asking other countries to help with the strait, and like Italy, Spain, Japan, France, Canada, and Australia all rejected it. I am using the MDX Botmaster indicator for crypto. Dude, that sounds like Botmaster. Just an FYI, do not be using any bots on fucking propfirm
TPT.
accounts. Yeah. Yeah, I typed in Botmaster in Google, and there's like so many knockoffs Like the first one is botmaster.software, which is probably the real one. And then, of course, you have botmaster.co.in. You got botmaster sender. You got, you got botmaster debater.
But you can find some wild ones.
That's why, like, when everyone's like, oh, I want, like, you're better off having something, but, like, you also got to take context on it. You know, you can't just fucking follow something blindly.
I thought that's how it worked.
No, I think the indicators are great. Even the bots that say buy or sell are great, but, like, you got to be looking at it and being like, you know, would you take that? You know, because they don't know about news, you know. There's a lot of things that it doesn't incorporate. Like, it's not like it's a hedge fund bot that's, you know, taking headlines into account and, you know, have people that are way
But
smarter.
I want the easy way out.
Yeah, like the guys that made those real high frequency trading things. I mean, those guys are super intelligent. Like, those things are grabbing pennies on the dollar, or probably fractions of pennies over and over and over. Bro, I love that song. I use the news bot. What's a news bot? Dude, I think we're just going lower, man.
Order filled.
I think we're gonna
Sing
end
it.
up. I think we're gonna end up hitting the IB at the the or bottom and IB are pretty much the same. You know what's setting up right now?
What?
That guy Chris's shit. You
Who?
buy. Yeah, I'll show you where it's at. The lower IB was made second, right?
Okay.
The lower IB was made second. You're going to close below the 50% line as long as we're below 26, call it 26, right? And you basically buy at I think it's like 35 or 40% pullback, which is exactly where we're at right now. But you got to wait till 10:30. I believe that's the rules. And then your TP is technically just a little bit lower where mine is. So many ads say what ads? I don't see any fucking ads. There's ads? Ads where?
Did you turn ads back on?
I don't think I did. Yeah, I don't know why it's on.
Got a short on gold.
On gold?
Yeah.
I fucking hate shorting gold, but I feel like they're playing out because the trend's been down.
It wasn't very vigorous though. It was kind of like reluctant.
If I'm going to short gold, I'm shorting it at 423. Dude, if this can close right here in the next 3.5 minutes, I feel like I'm going to be money. Yo, YouTube Premium, best $100 you'll spend all year, no ads. There you go. YouTube Premium. Yo, you know what you could do, Knob, also? You can just use an ad block. Just use an ad block. Are you using 10? Are you using 1 mini or 5 micros? What are you doing? Just use Brave Browser. I can't believe the Brave coin did not go through the roof because so many people use Brave Browser. That's like the one coin that actually has something that people fucking use, and it goes nowhere. As it's invalidating it right there. Come on. But yeah, out of all those fucking pieces of shit coins, you would think that the Brave coin would be the one that's freaking just trending up because everyone's using the Brave browser. But no. Sir, I am a dog. I mean, you get fucking stopped. Come on. You still in short on gold?
No, I just scalped it.
Come on.
I'm looking for a long on ES now.
I just realized I should have taken profits because the account that's in is a fucking, what do you call it? Is it not an end of day account? It's a trailing account. What up, Wicked Ticks? Come on, just fucking dump it. Oh my god, the back and forth.
This back and forth is crazy.
I feel like I'm gonna get wicked out. I almost just did, actually. Missed me by 4 points. I might just ride or die with it. I kind of don't want this funded account because it's the original Legends account. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna ride or die it. Yo, what up, futures? Let's see. So $4.23. I short gold. Dude, this thing's just gonna move around. Dude. Oh my.
What is the market waiting for? It's like it's just hanging there.
It's waiting to wick me out, and then it's gonna go down.
Yeah.
That's exactly what it's waiting for.
Yeah.
Gold is really not giving. I think gold's gonna hit 423. I'm gonna short gold at. Are you too good for your home? Answer me. I think this is the last freaking. After today, man, up into the 50s by me. Come on. Gold, either push or come down. Either way, come get one of my orders. This is an eval, but it's kind of where I want to short at. Cove, do you watch anime? Is that where the chick hooks up with octopuses and shit? Is that what you is that what you're talking about? No, I don't.
That's Yukio.
Oh man. Yeah. Yo, this is a true story though. So we do canvas prints at work, and during Christmas you get a ton of canvas prints. Man, you got to see like every year you get like 5 to 10 that like you know, are like straight up like, you know, either you're printing out a nude or, you know, or something like that, like some fucking octopus anime thing. Like, it's wild what people ask for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a hand towel from Japan, and it has a lady with a nice dress on and everything, a kimono. And when it gets hot, it disappears and she's nude.
That's wild.
Yeah, I didn't even know. And I like took it out of the dryer once. I'm like, wait, what happened here?
Who the fuck's calling me here? This might be important. No, that's not important. It's fucking spam.
Man,
Bro.
it's so crazy. Fucking Asia and London have been better trading
Yeah.
than New York session has been.
Yeah. It is weird.
Shit, this is fucking wild. I'm still hanging in this freaking short though. Oh, yo, Frostix, what anime you watching though? Are you watching like Dragon Ball Z? What are you watching over there? What's some anime shows that one would watch? Like is that Dragon Ball Z, right? Isn't that
Naruto.
what?
Naruto.
Naruto?
What is Crimson Desert?
Yeah, I was wondering
Even?
the same thing. One Punch Man. I don't know what else.
Bro, what cartoon is that? The guy that I keep fucking, the guy with the gift with the big balls. What cartoon is that guy from?
The big
I don't know.
balls.
Is it from Family Guy or something? I don't know.
I remember the one from freaking South Park.
Oh, Buster Gonad in a British
What?
comic.
Buster Conad.
Yeah, he was zapped by cosmic rays, which enlarged him to an enormous size. What the fuck? I'm still holding this short, by the way.
There used to be a gas station over here called Nads. I used to crack up every time I saw it.
Fucking nads.
What's up, Jasmine? Demon Slayer?
Wow, we are going nowhere.
Yo, I feel like people really like dislike anime or like full blown into it. There is no like middle ground.
Closest thing I get to that is freaking kids movies with the little one.
What's the max daily profit target for 150K for Apex? You could pass it in one day. the funded accounts are 50, the new ones are 50%. But the to pass it, you could pass it in one day. You're locked out? Like Akon, what happened? Why are you locked out? Yeah, so the new ones are 50% consistency. So I think you need to make like, what is it, like $5,000? Something like that on the Apex 150s, 5,600. I wouldn't make more than like $2,700 in a day. Somehow I feel like I'm gonna get fucked in NQ.
Yeah, I'm staying out of this bullshit. This market is fucking crap.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, jeez, man.
Dude, I might start waking up for London. Start trading it. Fuck.
I mean, you guys used to.
I've never traded it. How is it?
I mean, this week it's been good.
You've been up trading it?
No, but just looking at it,
Well,
freaking looks good. We used to wake up and do one trade. Took us like 5 minutes. We'd hop on voice in Discord real quick, take the trade, and be like, all right, I'm out, back to bed.
the London breakout.
Yeah.
Yeah, that shit was wild, though. I mean,
Order filled.
so there's a London trade for London Open. That's kind of like, it's the opening trade that you do at 9:30. You could do it during London. And that's what we were all doing. Well, I wasn't doing
I was
it.
about to say we were all doing.
I wasn't doing it. Actually, I set a bot a couple times to do it. But yeah, it was Sean, CT, BK.
That was it.
That was it. Yeah, Scotsman wasn't there, was he?
No,
Dell.
no.
Order filled.
It was a quick 117, but are we gonna come up and get the rest of my orders? Yeah. So there's like little nuances. I don't want to say that you guys should do it, but there's definitely times when markets open that there's statistics if it breaks like the previous candle or the first minute candle and things like that, that like you can get 10 points like what, 70% of the time or something like that.
I don't remember. It's been so long now.
Yeah. London Open's one of them. New York Open's one of them. Gold 8 p.m. Open is one of them. 9 p.m. Open is another one of them. I think that was it. It was like 4 different trades a day if you wanted to do it. And it was all based on the open breaking either like the previous 5-minute candle, the previous 1-minute candle. There's all different things. You got to back test it. That's crazy. It got one of my orders and not anything else.
Was that the 786?
Yeah, but it didn't get up there. Like 23 is the number I was looking for.
Yeah.
And I just never got there. I was hoping.
They'll probably still get up there.
I mean, I got my orders. I'm not leaving. Dude, this NQ shit's freaking whack. I think it gives it up, though. NQ has gone nowhere for the last almost hour. Like, nowhere. Ooh. Oh yeah, gold's about to smoke my orders. Push it right into my zone. How's the market? I had to go back to work for a bit. It hasn't done shit. NQ hasn't done shit. What type of work you doing? Anything good? What you doing? I love people that trade at work, man. It's freaking. That's like the life. You're at work, but able to trade at the same time. Hiring flight attendants? Bro, you need to hire some TSA agents, man. I've been watching those videos. Yo, until you get interrupted, yeah. So your boss comes in and you give him the finger. You're like, yo, get the fuck out. I'm in the middle of a trade. Yo, I got a question. How many flight attendants are you hiring that are not that qualified because you have to hire them? Things just go silent.
Wait, what happened?
I said, how many flight attendants are you hiring that aren't qualified because but you have to hire them?
Only the hot ones.
Yo, I'd be so bad at hiring fucking flight attendants. I'd have the best airline though. Everybody'd be like, shit, I'm flying that airline.
It'd be the worst, but the best. It's like when I had my first and only actual job. I worked for a gym, 24-hour fitness, right out of high school. The first place I went to sell memberships was a strip club.
I mean, I guess they got to go work.
Bro, I sold a lot of memberships.
Did you ever see? So there's a museum by me. Actually, I've gone there. It's aerospace museum, and they have a whole Delta thing and like how the airlines and all the models and pictures. Bro, flying back in the day looked so much better than it does now. Like 1,000 times better.
Well, now you got all these people that will bitch and complain about anything. So,
dude, they had like more room. Some of them like, dude, it was crazy.
better looking flight attendants.
Jeez.
I'm not wrong.
Yo, my shorts finally almost break even on this thing. I feel like though if it finally does start breaking, like I'm gonna get a lot more than 50 fucking points. Let's say 72. Come on. I guess that was the short. I think we're going to work this all the way down to at least VWAP. Code trader for gym memberships gets a motorboat special. Bro, the worst part now is you go to the gym and there's some girl making fucking content in like almost wearing almost nothing, and like it's almost like you're gonna get
Order
caught.
filled.
Bro, I just got. Did I get news released? Is there fucking news out?
Oh, fuck me. Look at
Well,
that shit.
bro, I just got newsed. Is that a term? Newsed? What's the fucking news?
Order filled. Order filled.
I just took a random shot in a fucking eval. Bro, what was that? Bro, that's crazy. I literally just got blown out of my position because it literally just went up 150 points in like a minute. Bro. Oh, if you do exclamation point Cove Trader, it when it's open, it'll automatically put you in. Oh, that's awesome. I just got fucking stopped, and this is. Yeah, you can enter more than once. It opens up a couple times during the day. Bro, that's so fucking whack. What? There's no news. We went up 150 points in 1 minute with no news. Do you see anything or no?
I haven't looked. Let's see. China held calls with Iran, China foreign minister. All hotspot issues should be resolved through dialogue, not force. Let's see. Iran Revolutionary Guard. Any ship passing through the Strait of Hormuz.
I saw that. Yeah.
Nation. Not seeing anything else.
Washington reached out, but no further negotiations. Dude, that's so crazy. It just ripped fucking. It's gonna sell completely back off. Not gonna lie, this headline driven fucking market kind of sucks. Did you see that shit yesterday though? Somebody bought a ton of fucking options and then 3 minutes later it ran.
I saw
Order
that.
filled. Order filled.
I kind of feel like that's what's going on right now. How's that
Maybe.
sound? I'm literally just all in on this and I don't care. It's just an eval that's already smoked, but that's what happened yesterday. Somebody bought a ton of a ton of contracts, and then all of a sudden, a few minutes later, the thing's just fucking ripping. Listen, I'm all for this insider trading thing as long as I'm part of it. Yo, that's like, yo, I'm all for dudes playing in women's sports as long as I can bet on it. I'm cool with it. Once I can't bet on it, I'm out. Oh, but that's what this is. It's fucking straight up like insider information. Do you see that whole thing about Polymarket now? How insiders are opening up Polymarket wallets and betting on the war because they have inside information and they're making fucking big money. There's like,
Smart.
so somebody gets told like, "Hey, we're gonna strike Iran tomorrow or in 6 hours." Somebody then tells their buddy to open up an account. He puts 50 grand on we're striking Iran in 2 days, and they're buying it at like 18 cents, and then they make, like 5x of the money. And they're doing it with like 50 grand, 100 grand, brand new wallets, just slamming random things that are going to happen. Here you go, Zayback. I should take my money here, but let's be real, I'm not going to. I'm waiting for that inside information pump. What up, boy band? How am I today? I should lock it in, right, Nighthawk? I'm not doing bad. All my gold accounts are up. My funded accounts. There's only one funded account that's down. It's this Apex one. The market's been so shitty. I just have a feeling they're gonna rip this thing. Just put in a massive fucking.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
That eval got fucking roasted. It got roasted and it's all the way back up. There's gotta be news or somebody said something or tweeted something. I should have taken my money. I was up $800 fucking dollars too.
Order filled. Order filled.
Wow.
I was up $800 and didn't fucking sell out.
Dang.
Jeez, these candles are
Bro, it's
ridiculous.
crazy.
Gulf states weigh military options to counter Iran escalations.
Dude, both times. Yo, that candle that just happened, that's 100.1 minute candle, by the way. That just
Wow.
happened.
Wow.
It's 100 fucking points. Damn, you passed the Lucid account last night. Was messing around. I'm up 1,200 trying for my first payout. If I don't, yo, you're not going to mess it up. Just keep doing what you're doing. Why would you change anything? I wouldn't change shit. Bro, I got Eiffel Towered, Ange.
Aren't you supposed to be the one doing Eiffel Towering?
Yo, it's so crazy. Yeah, it's just, out of nowhere you get a 150-point move. I mean, it's not great. It's not great. I'm so hungry. It's only 11 o'clock. I gotta order fucking Instacart, man. I got no food at my house. Zero food. Here we go. Dude, I want to see a sizable pullback here. Is what I want to see on gold. Look at that. I can't believe. Fucking shit.
I should have traded YN today.
Why it's cleaner?
It's cleaner than NQ is.
I've never even looked at YM.
Yeah.
I fucking picked a direction and fucking went.
Right.
Does it wick down 100 points and then come right back up?
It did.
Did it?
It wicked down 100 points and came back up. Into a fair value gap and rejected the fair value gap like it always does.
Yeah, do you realize that? Why does that happen?
Fuck if I know, but YM just seems to be cleaner.
What do you call it? Have you ever seen this, Marie?
No.
Watch this. I'm going to show you. If you put on, they just not put
Let's
it on
see.
there?
1, 2, 3 fair value gaps that it respected on the way up.
Yeah, it all it does is pulls back into these fair value gaps and then just keeps it moving
Wow.
over and over and over again.
Dude, I might just become a YM trader.
I can't. I can't.
I wonder how well the fibs work on it.
I don't know. Probably pretty good, only because you see it come back to the you see it come back all the time to the fair value gaps, which are typically, you know,
Yeah.
here you go. Let's see, watch this one. I bet you this one's right in there. Yeah, right in there, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Still think gold's the number one. Man, trading options in this BS? I mean, well, oh, you mean like 0 days? Fuck that. Come on, this shit's fucking. I think I'm gonna order some freaking Stu Leonard's here.
Fuck is that?
Stu Leonard's?
Yeah.
It's like a. It's a, what do you call it? It's a grocery store by me, but yeah, it's a grocery store by me, but I'm like, I'm just thinking like, we have like no fucking food in this house, so this would be like dinner for like. I'm gonna throw on some raviolis and then that's what we're having tonight. Fucking raviolis. Cheese, what is that? Spinach and garlic. Dude. I feel like lobster raviolis just are never that good.
I made tortellini soup like a week ago. It was really good.
That's always good. Yeah. I'm just gonna check this out. I got no food for anybody tonight, so any big plans after the stream? I got my kids' first softball practice. I'm the head coach.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
All right, I'm out of here.
Order filled. Order
Later.
filled. Order filled.
Later.
Yeah, I got good old softball today.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I just made a bunch of money on gold. I should have eyeballed it and just went in, but that was the bounce spot on gold. Push it. Oh, we're back green. I made back a bunch. Now, $77 and $70. I will buy. Oh. I passed the background check, so at least you know I'm not a creeper. Yeah, I passed the. Yeah, so at least you know. Yeah, I passed the background check. Then you got to watch videos on spotting and what you do about a concussion. I had to watch a whole segment on grooming and what to watch out for if parents or other coaches are grooming kids.
Oh, wow.
And that was it. It was concussion, grooming. I'm trying to think if there was another section. I think that was it. And pass the background check. So it's 3 things. Then they give you like tidbits, like, you know, like it's just so fucking creepy, like that you even have to say some of this shit. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Like you're watching these videos and you're like, who the fuck would do that? Like, you know what I mean? Like, don't don't get a kid's telephone number and start texting them. Like, what?
Oh my god.
Like, what guy is like, hey,
Oh my God.
do you have a cell? Did your mommy give you a cell phone? Oh yeah, sure. Can I just have your number? Like,
Ugh.
so creepy.
That is creepy.
There's a lot of creepy stuff. I was like watching it, and I was like, bro, you're
There's
fucking.
probably people who've done it all.
Oh yeah, they're not doing this because, yeah,
And they're like, but you didn't say I couldn't do it.
I know. They were like, don't schedule practice, just you one-on-one with another kid by yourselves. I'm like, what?
Oh my god.
Like, I didn't even know that needed to be said. Like,
Yeah.
it's wild. But yeah. It was all that BS. And then, I don't know. I got the first practice today.
That's fun.
Yeah. This account, it can't go higher than like 151 and can't go lower than like 149. Yo, what up, Joshua?
Order filled.
I'm actually going to just put my thing. I'm just going to try writing this out for. But yeah.
What the hell? There's some shit going on in chat.
Wow, what's going on in the chat?
I don't know. People are saying weird shit.
I used to play a bit of softball. Tough game. Wait. Wait, what? I can't even say it out loud. I don't even know what that means.
Me neither.
Someone tell me how Tradeify payout works because I'm freaking stoked. Past the 50. Uh, what Tradeify account did you get? Let's start there. Which ones you get, Mulatto? Because you have the 1 day one. Oh, you could anything over $2,500 you could take. So you're gonna be able to take out $800 minus whatever the split is. I wouldn't trade shit the rest of the day in that account, by the way. Just an FYI, I wouldn't trade it. Yeah, because you could take only $1,000 out, so you're already at 800. So I wouldn't risk for 200. And also, when you get that payout, it covers the costs of your account plus any other accounts that you needed to get there. Too much adrenaline. But yeah, I wanted to see this hold 4,000 is what I wanted to see this hold. Dude, they keep pushing this narrative that Israeli guy's dead.
What happened?
They keep trying to push that the Israeli guy is dead.
Oh.
It's like,
Oh, Netanyahu.
yeah. So let me get this straight. 5 minutes before Trump announces a halt on Iran attacks, someone places a $1.5 billion bet on stocks going up and dumped $192 million in oil.
They
You don't
can't
risk
say
that
who it
much.
was.
What's up?
They can't tell who it came from.
They know who it came from. Yeah. The trade's got to go through from
Yeah.
all that's just tracked. Yeah, they know. Somebody knows. But I I almost feel so. Obviously, he has like I guess I forget what it's called, but like Trump has like an investment, whatever,
Uh-huh.
and he'll just say like, "Oh, I didn't tell them anything," just like Nancy Pelosi never told her husband
Right.
anything.
Right.
And I feel like this is Trump just rubbing it in like the Pelosi's, the Clintons, like their faces that like you guys did this for so many years and now I'm just gonna be blatant about it and you guys can't do anything. I feel like it's almost like a fuck
Using
you
their
type,
excuse. Yeah, that makes sense.
and yeah, their excuse that they've used the whole time, like, oh, I never told my husband anything. Like he's just gonna ride that and they're just watching him make stupid fucking money at this point. Like if you think about it, like that $1.5 billion bet, they made like hundreds of millions of dollars on it. Because futures is leveraged.
Yeah. Dang.
Yeah. It's it's very crazy. But the same thing with like Trump coin. He made all that money on Trump coin and then Melania coin. Like I think he's almost just setting up his whole bloodline for
Yeah.
I'm serious though. I feel like he took a hit after his first 4 years as a president, and then they went after him and they did all this shit to him. They tried to put him in jail, and they tried doing all this shit to him. And I think he lost a lot of money.
Hmm.
And then I think he got president and was like, you know what? You're never gonna be able to stop me now. And he's just fucking out to make billions and like billions and billions. That's the only way I could put it. And that's what's going on. Yeah, because technically he could just, that's what Pelosi's done. Pelosi's had a better track record than all the hedge fund managers, and now, he's just kind of doing it out in the public. I would assume it's kind of what it seems like, right?
Yeah, it totally seems like that. What if it's a leaker doing it?
A leaker?
Yeah.
I mean, it could be some random person, but you know, I it's just so crazy.
I'm sure you're right that they know, though. Someone knows.
Someone definitely knows. Um, Somebody definitely knows. I mean, it's just money is just being made like hand over fist at like a crazy rate. Like you just don't do it. You know what I mean? Like
Hmm.
people buying right before, like 5 minutes
Yeah.
before. How would you know 5 minutes before? They're just, hey, I didn't tell anybody. That was random. It's ridiculous if you think about it.
Can you imagine Trump calls you and just says, "Buy now"?
Yeah, I mean, he's probably, you know, remember, I mean, if you don't remember that, like a while
Yeah.
ago, he tweeted, "I would buy stocks now," and like the next
Uh-huh.
day was like the bottom. Like he let everybody know. It wasn't like he didn't tell everybody. He said, "Buy stocks now." The bat signal. I did not buy Trump meme coin. Marie did. She says she believes in the project, and she read the white papers. Nah, but I think she said she flipped it for a quick $700.
Yep.
Order filled.
There we go.
Did you get in short on that?
Nah, I'm in long.
Oh,
I'm just
Whoa.
gonna let it ride. On this previous pop, though, it would have grabbed all my shorts, and then I would have been able to unload. I would have been heavy short from 22 to 28, and I would have banked on that big short that happened. Yeah. I don't know why I pulled my orders. Well, I just got out. I'm all green again. And gold is. I can't explain how good gold is. I tried to tell people. People don't want to listen how good it is.
just had a good short. I mean, I didn't trade it, but it would have been a good short.
Yeah. Mike, what's your all-time favorite account size to trade? Who's Mike? Me? Diamond, you're hurt. Oh, you're down 660. You'll make that back. My favorite account size is I usually trade 50s, and if I go higher, it's 150s. I find like those 7,500, the ratio just doesn't make sense. That's my opinion on those. Oh, I'm just hanging. I fucking hate the NQ.
I'm going to test out the YM for fun.
For funsies.
Uh-huh.
A lot of people like it. I gotta fucking donate money right now. Boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna run some back tests. The best one I've seen is ES actually.
Yeah. It's been working really good for me. It's slower. There's not as much, not as many setups for sure as gold.
Yeah, gold. Yeah. God. Damn, gold's going for it.
Yep.
I was hoping we were gonna pull back the VWAP, but doesn't look like we are. Come on. Yeah, if you look at it, like YM just trended up all day since 10 o'clock versus
Yeah, that's trippy.
versus like NQ that's was choppy as shit for almost an hour.
What is the YM? Is that the Dow?
Yeah. Yep. You know, those companies are less volatile compared to, you know, Nvidia. I don't, you know, it's just the tech companies are so up and down. RTY, I would think the RTY, because that's the Russell, and those are small caps. You're getting to where you don't like the NQ through back testing for consistency. ES has been the best out of all the ones that I've done.
NQ is just so wiki.
Yes. Yeah, it is.
I like it, but I get tired of having to allow for the wickage.
For Wickage?
Yeah.
See, this was just a steady climber up until fucking yesterday. Yesterday gave back a ton of fucking gains.
Hmm.
Let's see something. I'll look at it. I'll look at it right now. Oh yeah. See, this is my updated one. Like this on the screen is the ES. Look how clean that is. It's just a grind up. If I go to YM is not terrible, but it obviously has gotten smoked the last 5 trades. But I think I like ES the best out of all of them. I was looking at it. I did not take it. But ES just printed a buy signal at 633.
Order filled.
That's pretty good.
I'll take it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this ES buy signal, see what happens. I'm in an eval. I don't know where the stop is though. Like I don't. It's all mathematical based on ATR. So like I don't actually know where the stop is. So I'm not saying to do this in your prop firm accounts, guys, but listen, if you wanted to, I think you could set alerts on these buy and sells. I'm going to see if that happens. I'm going to call it so you could actually then take trades. It would automatically take trades off of your strategy in TradingView. Do not do it in a prop firm. Throwing it out there for everybody. I would, I'm just
They're
telling
getting a little sensitive about that.
Yeah. Yeah. Now you could watch it on your screen, and when it tells you, you click the button, but you're manually doing it. It's just that's your indicator. I would not have it auto do it. Oh yeah, this thing's paying. Look at this shit. Yeah. Oh, I almost want to go to break even because I'm at break even, but I should take my fucking money. I'm up $200.
Order filled.
I took it. Made 187 there.
Nice.
Gold isn't doing shit now. I'm just going to take I just want to make sure I don't have any orders in. My luck, I'll go freaking... I'll go get lunch and I'll get orders filled and not be around. Oh. What are you eating for lunch, Marie?
I don't know, probably just yogurt or something.
I'm eating yogurt too.
All right.
What do you put some granola in it?
No, just plain.
Oh.
I mean, just like blueberry or something.
Oh, mine's plain. Like mine doesn't have any flavor on it.
Mm-hmm.
So I do like granola, a little honey, and I'll cut a banana and put it in there.
Yum.
It's an ungodly amount of yogurt I eat, though. It's not like a little packet.
Good for you.
This just goes to show you how markets change.
What is that?
What?
Is that the thing you're looking at?
Oh yeah, I was just showing how markets change. But once you take away the no trades after 2 o'clock, so some of these things, when you look at it, this is why you got to always be around. They'll fire off exactly at they'll fire off exactly at 9:30. So here I'll take like this one. Hold on one second. I just want to make sure this isn't the league. Hello? Who's this? Uh, I'm on something. If you want, you call me back in a half hour. Unless you're buying my house for a make me move offer, then no. Thanks. Bye. I get calls all the time about my house. And sometimes they're like real interested people that want to buy it, but they'll lowball you. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
Yes.
You know, but they're like really want to move up in my area. There's like not a lot of houses for sale. So like, I've gotten guys that like made an offer and I'm like, bro,
But it's
like
like regular people.
no, like they're using a broker.
Oh.
But like, it's like, hey, I represent a client, they're looking to move up in your area. I've seen your house, we drove by it. I've seen it on the MLS. Like, what'd you update? And I tell them, and they're like, listen, like, my client wants to move up in that area. Obviously, there's not much out there. Would you be willing to take, this? And I'm like, dude, like, what am I gonna? You're giving me like below what it's worth. They're like, oh, but it's all cash. I'm like, I don't care. When that money hits the bank, I don't care if it's your cash or it's some other bank sending me the money. The money's the same. And then like they'll go back and they'll offer more. And then I'm like, listen, man, like unless you're gonna make me move with like a solid offer, what am I gonna do? Sell my house and then go try to be this guy that you're representing, trying to find another house in my area? So that's how I keep it open, because sometimes you do get people that are like, they make really, really interesting offers and, it'll make you think, but
You guys do that. Come up with a price I'd take.
you could put it online also. I don't have mine online, but you could do it online, like a make me move offer.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. My
That's
friend
like
did. Somebody
calling
took it.
every day too. Someone took it?
Somebody took it. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. He had like a plant. I don't know if it's a plantation style house. Let me see if I can show the house without fucking showing the guy's address. I'll show you what his house kind of looks like. So this is somebody I know. And he had his listed for years almost. And then somebody fucking, through all the reaching out, somebody bought it. That's why, like, I entertain, like, people are always like, why do you entertain it? Because you just never know.
Yeah. Yep, it's
Like,
really good.
that's his house. You know, it's definitely a nice house. Fucking, like, that's what the inside looks like. Yeah, Zillow estimates are fucked. Zillow estimates are definitely fucked. Because Zillow doesn't know if you've also updated, uh, the inside of your house, or, they don't know if you added things in the backyard. Like, they're just taking it off of, I would say, square footage, I guess. Who is the woman talking?
That's me.
That's me. That's what she says. It's me. It's Marie. I used to flip houses for a living. I would call people to buy their houses. Yeah, there's probably, if I would guess, any house flipping company has like one or two people that all they do is just call all day. I'm curious if this thing triggers. This has been some bad action, though.
Yeah, I'm not crazy about today. Though I'm up like $1,200. I'm like, why am I feeling like it's slow?
Yeah, because, I mean, it is slow, but Iran imposes a $2 million fee on every ship passing through the strait.
Well,
Monica! Um, basically, Iran is willing to listen to the U.S. That was that pop at 11:02, I guess.
okay.
Monica Lewinsky. I did not have sexual relations with that woman. Dude, I saw the best reel. You know that trend? It's like, what were you like in the 90s?
Uh-huh.
And it shows Bill Clinton at first, like in the interrogation, and he's like sipping on that drink and his hand is shaking. And it's like, what were you like in the 90s? And then it plays the music, and all it shows is him in the Epstein file photos. Yeah. And he's just partying on the fucking island in the hot tub with Epstein everywhere. Yo, that was wild. Wild, wild. What up, Pilon? Yeah. What were you like in the 90s? And he's just fucking partying with Epstein in the photos. Shit's great. I don't know how they don't like charge him with anything.
I know.
So ridiculous. So ridiculous. Bill. Yo, somebody just subscribed. Who is that? Big Mart 101. Yo, say what's up in the chat. They're just pushing this shit. I'll tell you what, I think if this Iran shit ends,
Uh-huh.
I think the market rips at least 1,200 points.
Oh yeah.
Like, I think you're back at 25.5 in like 3 days. I wish we dumped to 23,500 just to bring on a little bit more like pain and be able to get some of this stuff lower. But yeah, I don't know.
Sub 20. Aren't we due a big correction?
Sub 20, I mean if the high is 26,500, right?
Uh-huh.
Even at 30% correction, you're still not under 20,000.
Wow.
I think the only thing that gets us sub 20,000 is a trade war with fucking China, or China invades Taiwan. Yo, I love gold. Gold's my favorite to trade. Yeah, it was pre-COVID, but also you got to remember, man, that's almost 7 years ago. Let's see. Like, let's get a visual. Here it is. This is what I was looking for. So, we're going to go back to 2019, right? I'll just choose. You know, for argument's sake, this is Amazon's revenue. If you go back to 2019, they were doing 252 billion. Now they're over 700 billion in the
Wow.
you know, like a lot has changed
Wow, that's nuts.
in that time.
I had no idea.
Yeah, like, you know, that's why when people like when you're like, "Oh, we're going back to pre-COVID numbers." I don't understand how, because all these companies are doing these crazy sales volumes that it's almost the price, the discount, you know, would be so insane on, you know, on all these stocks. Like, you know, Google was 155 billion in revenue, and now it's at 402. That's 150% up. So if the stock, obviously they could have diluted the stock and things like that. I'm not even getting into that. But like, say the stock outstanding is still the same. Like, if they were trading at the same price, it would be a crazy discount. There's no way that it would trade back at 2000 at just no way. What's inflated right now? The right now is, or pre-COVID was? Is this my full-time job? I'm on here all day. I do a whole bunch of things. I don't stop working. Here you go. Here's the Amazon's PE ratio. Amazon's PE ratio is 29. In 2019, it was like 78. PE ratio is actually much lower now than it was in 2019. I think Amazon's poised for a massive move up, by the way.
How come?
Because the share price isn't fucking going anywhere, really. It hasn't really moved anywhere in, what is this, 2004, mid 2004, almost 2 years. We're almost trading at the same price.
Everyone buys all their stuff there.
Yeah, but their other shit is I just got a buy signal at 27.50, by the way.
27.50.
I'll take it in
Nice.
well, I'm gonna take it in this account real fast.
Order filled. Order filled.
I mean, they're growing at a crazy rate, but like all aspects of them are growing. And then once they start implementing all this AI shit, it's only going to help them out. And they're supporting it with all their data services and all the other bullshit that they do. Like, I think Amazon comes out as one of the bigger AI winners. I wouldn't be surprised if they came out and started doing their own chips. How crazy would that be?
Their own ships?
Their chips, the AI chips.
Oh, yeah.
Because I think Microsoft was thinking about doing theirs, or they do have theirs. And I was like, man, like what's stopping fucking Amazon from doing that? Yeah, they lay off workforce while maintaining the same revenue. Or their revenue's going up, obviously, but
Order filled.
all right. So I took off half, and now I'm at break even for the other half. Can't fucking lose, and I locked in some profit. I should just, you know what? Even if I go there, I can't. I still am going to be up money. I'll probably, or break even ish. But yeah, I have a couple of them that I'm like, man, this just hasn't gone anywhere. And I don't think it's going to go anywhere until this Iran shit's done, anyways. So it's not like, oh my God, you got to get in or whatever. Like, I just think that once this Iran thing kind of ends, I wouldn't be surprised to see Amazon kind of trend up in the next year to like 300, which is a pretty sizable gain. But I bought it in my kid's college fund at like 199 recently. I don't know even where it's at. All right, I'm jumping off. I'll be back at 2 o'clock. I gotta go eat something. Make my yogurt, my parfait.
See you later.
I'm out. Peace.